He has put together a philosophy exceeding customer expectation, and he's done it with our next product. Folks, meet Bret Aiken. Hello, Bret.
Nice to see you, Bob.
Nice to see you.
Pleasure.
One of the things that, one of the hardest things to do is to take care of a bathroom, whether it be the glass or the aluminum or the steel or the tile or whatever we have in there. What makes, and this is our Simply Brilliant package right here, it's all in this package, enough to do 2 complete bathrooms. It comes for only $22.21. It does something no other cleaner does. You actually developed this for transit fleets.
Correct.
Because they have so much problem with their glass and metal,
right.
Because they're outside all the time. What's going to be in this kit, and what does it do?
Well, what we started out with is we developed a process that will actually remove your hard water stains, both off the glass and the metal frame itself.
Okay.
Completely restoring the unit.
So the first section is
our restoration material.
Restoration, and that comes with its own applicator.
That's correct.
The second step
is the treatment, the protective treatment. It comes with its own applicator as well.
Okay, so that's the second part. You're not looking at that. This is the first part.
Correct.
Come over this way and you'll see the second part right there. And the third step?
Is the maintenance, the rejuvenator. Keeps it long lasting, keeps the performance up.
So we get 3 applications and 3 applicators.
Correct.
All of it for only $22.21. How do we use it?
Well, what you want to do is with the step 1 first.
Now we have a pretty scarred up shower door, both the metal and the glass, a little bit etched with hard water stain.
Exactly. And what we want to do is we want to put out the material onto the pad that comes in the system, and you want to take and just work it over in a circular motion and just get those stains, that hard water corrosion, that scum out of there.
Now, how does it remove it without scratching the glass?
We have a little bit of wheat kernel that's in the compound that actually goes in and massages those water etches and opens up the glass and gets it out. We'll show you right now.
This is not just like one of those wipes that sort of does a little bit of coverage of it. This actually is repairing the glass?
This is actually repairing the glass. We want this to look simply brilliant. As you see, we can get a beautiful high luster,
clean as a whistle,
clarity out of it. We've been able to save a lot of shower doors from the junkyard with this system.
That's very clean. Now, what's the second step?
Now, once we do that, I'm going to put this panel down so we can go right into a panel in which we put the application on already.
You want the application to dry, okay.
Yeah. So what happens here, this will show you how we apply it. This is a door that we restored a little while ago. Now, what the second step would be is you want to take the protector, the treatment, and you put it out onto the little application pad which we've developed, and just wipe it over the glass evenly. Now you can also cover the metal.
Does a good job on stains on the metal too.
Stains on metal, tile, toilet bowls. It'll help prevent the rings. You use the same cleaning process I showed you on the glass. There's
a couple of things I want to bring up too.
Sure.
I am not smelling any gross chemicals like you normally smell.
You're right. We don't spray. We don't believe in using spray product. We actually put every bit of your material goes into the actual applicator.
And it's easy as pie.
Exactly.
I mean, you're not doing anything but just wiping it on.
Exactly. So you just wipe it over, and we want to do 2 coats. And the first coat you want to let freestand for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going a little quicker. And then the second coat you want to let stand for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Very easy to do.
Yes. Now after that, this is the product that will actually perfect the long-term performance. It's our rejuvenator, or basically just your aftercare. And what we do is we just spritzer this onto the glass. And I'll tell you, wait till you see the shine on this. I think you'll really appreciate it.
If I'm moving in to the into an old home or some kind of apartment where nobody took care of it, this is going to restore it almost to brand new. Look at that glass. Look how clean that is.
Now I got a little bit of a surprise here for y'all. Now, do we see anything in there?
Yeah, look at that.